Are you looking for lock and go living here on the south side of Asheville? Well, I'm here at Southside Village, 117 Hibiscus Lane, where you've got proximity to Whole Foods. You're literally seconds away. You've got proximity to the Racquet Club for tennis, swimming, working out, and pickleball. Come with me to check out 117 Hibiscus Lane. For more information on 117 Hibiscus Lane, feel free to call, text, or email me. I'm Cricket with Asheville Luxury Brokers. You can reach me at 828-674-0900.